Hello, dear kids. I'm here with you, and have a nice day, have a nice week, and good morning to you. Now we will start our lesson. What you need for the lesson is a paper, and a pencil to write. Okay, maybe when you play the game, כשאתם משחקים, you will write your results. אתם תכתבו את התוצאות שלכם, and then you will send them to me, ואתם תשלחו אותם אליי. Okay, now let's start with Karen, a very nice teacher. Today we are talking about health, אנחנו מדברים על בריאות. But before talking about healthy food, אוכל בריא, healthy food, you will do some morning exercises, זה גם בריא, and we will review the material that we have learned, ואנחנו חוזרים על החומר הנלמד. So meet Karen.
It's nice to meet you. Now you say, it's nice to meet you too. I want you to ask me. Say, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Now you. I'll ask you how you are today, and you answer, I'm fine, thank you. Let's begin again. Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You say, I'm fine, thank you. Now you ask me, and how are you today?
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Wow, it's such a beautiful day. But it's been really hard today and I'm a little stiff. I know. Let's do some exercises to stretch. But first, let me see if I'm dressed correctly. Let's see. I'm wearing my comfortable clothes. And I have my water bottle. Yes, I'm ready to do some sports. Now you. Are you wearing comfortable clothes? Do you have your water bottle? Great, then let's get started. Are you ready? I want you to repeat after me. Head, shoulders, knees, shoulders. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees. Eye, ear, ear, nose, nose, mouth. Eye, ear, ear, nose, nose, mouth. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, fingers. Arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, fingers. Chest, chest, tummy, tummy, chest. Tummy, tummy, chest, chest, tummy, tummy, chest. Back, bottom. Now we're going to do it again. This time, a little bit quicker. You ready? Here we go. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees. Eye, ear, ear, nose, nose, mouth. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, fingers. Chest, chest. Tummy, tummy, chest. Tummy, tummy, chest, chest, tummy, tummy, chest. Back, bottom. Now we're going to do it again, and this time a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, go. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees. Eye, ear, ear, nose, nose, mouth. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, fingers. Chest, chest. Tummy, tummy, chest. Tummy, tummy, chest, chest, tummy, tummy, chest. Back, bottom, whew.
Now, Let's pass to another picture. And here is our topic. Healthy food. Ochel bari. Now you see a lot of things here. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, broccoli, lemon, and a lot of things. These things are healthy food. Let's talk about food. Here, the first picture, you can see the meals. Aruchot yom. Meals, breakfast, morning, lunch, and dinner. Now here you see a chef, a cook. Spaghetti, potatoes, bread, and salad are our new words. Now say the word after me. תגידו מילה אחריי ותקראו משפט אחריי. Bread. Bread. You please. Good. Bread is good for our health. Bread is good for our health. You please. Very good. Our next word is a very easy word, the word salad. שדומה לעברית, נכון? Salad. It's your turn. יפה, very good. Salad is yummy. Now you please. Good. Now let's pass to potatoes. Potatoes. Your turn. Potatoes are hot. Potatoes are hot. Now you please read. Good job. Look at the pictures. They are hot. And pasta. Pasta. You please. Good. I like pasta. It's your turn. Very good. Now let's pass to the word breakfast. אנחנו מתחילים ארוחות. This is breakfast. Say after me. Breakfast. Good. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. תסתכלו על שעון, look at the clock. 7 o'clock in the morning, before school, לפני בית ספר. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now please you read. Good. After breakfast in the afternoon, בצהריים, we usually have lunch. Lunch. Say after me. Okay, good. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat lunch in the afternoon. You please? Yes. Now you see the children sitting and eating lunch. And the last meal, ארוחה האחרונה, is dinner. Dinner. Can you say it? Very good. Very nice, kids. I and my family have dinner in the evening. I and my family have dinner in the evening. Now you try to read. Very nice. So here is the family, here is evening, erev, and they are having dinner. After you read all these sentences and words, we will pass to Quizlet, and you will train your skills in Quizlet. Click on this link, תלחצו על קישור, ואתם רואים קישור יותר קטן, Quizlet. And here you are. You have the words. You listen to the words that the
breakfast, breakfast, breakfast.
And you say after him, ואתם תגידו אחריו, then you click on this arrow, אז אתם לוחצים על החץ, ומקבלים מילה הבאה. וככה אתם יכולים לעשות כמה פעמים. אחרי שסיימתם Quizlet, flashcards, we will pass to our new video, and you will see a very nice video with English boy. Now here we go.
And all that hard work has made me really hungry. Let's see what there is to eat. Wow, I see there are a lot of healthy foods here. You know, it's really important to eat healthy foods. What I eat helps me stay strong all day long. Did you eat healthy today? If you answered yes, good for you. And if you answered no, tomorrow, try and make some healthy food choices. And tell me how it was. In fact, let's watch this short clip about healthy eating. Have you met English Boy? If you haven't, you're in for a real treat. And if you have, then you can sit back and enjoy another video.
My name is English Boy. I am fast, I'm smart, and if you're in trouble, all you have to do is call, "Help us, English Boy!" "5 minutes of English."
Welcome to the City News Show, and today is the Healthy Food Day. Miss Jackson, what are you cooking?
Hello everyone, here's my healthy food. I have pasta,
Pasta? I like pasta.
and this is a salad,
Salad? Yummy.
and this is bread,
Bread? It looks so good.
and here are the potatoes.
Potatoes. Potatoes are my favorite food, and everything looks so healthy.
Oh no! My healthy food is all chocolate now.
Chocolate?
Yes, chocolate. My food is gone. It's terrible. What can we do?
There's only one thing we can do.
Help us, English boy.
Help us, English Boy. It's time to save the day. Go, 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 English Boy. Hey, English Boy, where is Miss Jackson's pasta? Miss Jackson's pasta is here. And where is Miss Jackson's salad? Miss Jackson's salad is here. Oh. And where are Miss Jackson's potatoes? Miss Jackson's potatoes are now chocolate. And it's here. Oh no. And where is Miss Jackson's bread? Miss Jackson's bread is here. Oh, my stomach hurts. Help me, English Boy. I think it's time for superpower. Oh. Ah. Thank you, English Boy. I will.
My food. Thank you, English boy.
And now it's time to play. You click on this link, again, just like in Quizlet, and you open the game, and you will start. You will click on one, for example, and you will choose. This is bread, lunch, or pasta. If I choose lunch, it's okay. So play game, and then we will see the results. אתם שולחים לי תוצאות. Good luck, children. I love you. אני אשלח לכם גם וידאו וגם מצגת. אוקיי? ביי ביי. See you next time.